Okay, so we are doing the next question. Next question is question number uh, question number 15. Question number uh, question number 14. We are doing question number 14. Y double dash minus 4y is equal to 4 is equal to x square minus 3 into sine 2x. Question number 14. Y double dash minus 4y is equal to x square minus 3 into sine 2x. Y double dash minus 4y is equal to sine 2x. Now this algebraic function and the trigonometrical function are being multiplied. They are not sum or difference. This is the multiplication, the product. This is the product. So first of all, we will find yc. Or yc. Y double dash minus 4y is equal to 0. Auxiliary equation m square minus 4 equal to 0. So m will be equal to m square is equal to 4 and m is equal to plus minus 2. These are the two values of m. And Muhammad Taha Bhat 60973. Okay. So this is the value of m. So yc will become C1 e raised to power 2x plus C2 e raised to power minus 2x. These are the two real and distinct solutions. There are two real and distinct solutions. So therefore, C1 e raised to power 2x plus C2 e raised to power 2x, this is YC. Now we will find YP. For YP, g of x is equal to x square minus 3 into sine 2x. G of x is equal to x square minus 3 into sine 2x. So therefore, Yp will become ax square plus bx plus c. The maximum power is x square. So we'll start from x square, then 1 power less, then the 1 power less, up to x is to power 0. That means up to the constant. So ax square plus bx plus c into that will become sine 2x will become sine 2x will become sine 2x cos 2x plus sine 2x. Sine 2x plus cos 2x. We will open it. It will become ax square, or leave it as it is. Now we will find yp dash. Yp dash will become, there are the product of two functions. So we will use the formula of u into v. This is the product of two functions. We will use the formula u into v. U into v means the derivative of the q, the first function, the derivative of this one will be equal to 2ax. Derivative of bx will be b. Derivative of c will be 0. Into the second function, cos 2x plus sine 2x. Plus, we will write the first function as it is. Ax square plus bx plus c into the derivative of the second function. The cos 2x will be minus sine 2x and the 2x will be 2. So minus 2 sine 2x in the same way plus 2 cos 2x. Minus 2 sine 2x plus 2 cos 2x. This is the derivative of the second function. Now we will open, or again we will find the second derivative, yp double dash. The derivative of this one, the first function. Here also the u into v, here also u into v. Both the places we will put that u into v formula. Here the two functions are being multiplied, here also the product of two functions. So the derivative of 2ax plus b will be 2a into the second function, cos 2x plus sine 2x plus the first function will be as it is, this one 2ax plus b into the derivative of cos 2x plus sine 2x. It will be this one, the derivative. This is the derivative of cos 2x plus sine 2x. That will become minus 2 sine 2x plus 2 cos 2x. This is the derivative of this one into this function plus that function as it is into derivative of the second function. Now we will take the derivative of this one. First of all, derivative of this one, ax square plus bx plus c. The derivative of ax square plus bx plus c is 2ax plus b. into the second function as it is. Minus 2 sine 2x plus 2 cos 2x plus the first function as it is, this one. The first function as it is, we are finding the derivative of this one. The first function as it is, ax square plus bx plus c into the derivative of this one will be equal to 2 minus 4 cos 2x, and cos, the derivative cos will be minus 4 sine 2x. Now we will take common yp double dash, cube में multiply and open it, that is better. 2a into cos 2x will be 2a cos 2x. 2a into sine 2x will be 2a sine 2x. Then 2ax is multiplied with this one, minus 4ax sine 2x. 2ax will multiply with this one, plus 4ax cos 2x. Then we multiplied with b into this one, minus 2b sine 2x. Then plus 2b cos 2x. Then we multiply by this one, 2ax into minus 2 sine 2x will be minus 4ax sine 2x. Minus 4ax sine 2x. Two ax will multiply with this one, it will become 4ax cos 2x plus 4ax cos 2x. Then we'll multiply with b into minus 2 sine 2x will be minus 2 b sine 2x. Then b is multiplied with this one, will become 2b cos 2x. Then ax square is multiplied by this one, minus 4ax square. Minus 4ax square cos 2x. Then ax square is multiplied with this 4 minus 4 sine 2x. Minus 4ax square sine 2x. Muhammad Hassan. 6268. Sayyid Shahbir Hassan 61846. Shahmir, you are coming in the last session. You have lost the 3 sessions. Why in the last session? You just want the attendance only. You don't want to learn anything. Just wasting your time. This is the last session and you are coming in the last session. Now we further multiply with bx. I'm rubbing this one and doing over there. Now I am rubbing it and doing the further question. And this I am writing over there. Yp dash, yp double dash, yp dash. Yp dash was this one. 2ax plus b into cos 2x plus sin 2x plus ax square plus bx plus c into minus 2 sin 2x plus 2 cos 2x. This is yp dash. And yp double dash, we have up, we have simplified only. We multiplied with ax square. The remaining has to be multiplied. So first we'll simplify this one. 2a cos 2x. Is there any cos 2x? 2a cos 2x. I'm writing over there 2a cos 2x plus 2a sin 2x minus 4ax sin 2x plus 4ax cos 2x plus 4x cos 2x, then minus 2b sin 2x plus 2b sin cos 2x minus 4ax sin 2x plus 4ax cos 2x minus 2b sin 2x plus 2b cos 2x minus 4ax square cos 2x minus 4ax square sin 2x That has been done. We multiplied with ax square. Now we will multiply with bx. This whole minus 4bx cos 2x. Then minus 4bx sine 2x. Then we multiplied with c. Minus 4c cos 2x. Minus 4c sine 2x. Now this is why p double dash has been completed. We will substitute all these value in this equation. This is equation 1. Substituting in equation 1. Shahbir Hassan, 646. Yes, Ibrahim, 61846. 59283. Daniel Sultan. Okay. Now we'll substitute in equation 1. All these things for y double dash. This yp double dash will be substituted. We will simplify 2a cos 2x yp double dash. This one, I will write the whole one. 2a cos 2x plus 2a sin 2x minus 4ax sin 2x plus 4ax cos 2x minus 2b sin 2x minus 2b sin 2x plus 2b cos 2x minus 4ax sin 2x plus 4ax cos 2x minus 2b sin 2x plus 2b cos 2x minus 4ax squared cos 2x minus 4ax squared sin 2x minus 4ax squared sin 2x, then minus 4bx cos 2x minus 4bx sin 2x minus 4c cos 2x cos 2x minus 4c sine 2x. This is y double dash minus 4y. Yp was ax square plus bx plus c into cos 2x plus sine 2x equal to x square minus 3 into sine 2x. Now we will equate the coefficient of x square. X square sine 2x. If you open it, it will become x square sine 2x and minus 3 sine 2x. We will equate the coefficients of x square sine 2x. We will equate the coefficient of x square sine 2x. X square there is minus 4a sine 2x. This is cos 2x. This is minus 4a x square sine 2x. So this is x square sine 2x minus 4a. And this is minus 4a x square sine 2x. So these two are x square sine 2x equal to, and on the other side x square sine 2x will be 1. The coefficient is 1. So minus 8a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 over minus 8. So minus 1 over 8. We found the value of a. We found the value of a. Now we'll find the value of b. So we will find sine 2x, the coefficient of sine 2x. Equating the coefficient of sine 2x. Ibrahim Aftab 8367. Equating the coefficient of sine 2x only. On this side, when we open it, it will become minus 3 sine 2x. So this is 3. And here 2a sine 2x only, not x or x square. This is 2a sine 2x. 2a minus 2b this is x sine 2x, x cos minus 2b. This is also the coefficient of sine 2x minus 2b. Then this is x square, this is x square, this is x, this is also x. Minus 4, this is cos, this is minus 4c sine 2x. There will be minus 4c sine 2x. And on that side will be minus 3. On that side will be minus 3. So 2a minus 4b minus 8c is equal to minus 3. So we will complete it. We will put the value of a. A is minus 1 upon 8. So here it will become 2 into minus 1 upon 8. Minus 4b minus 8c is equal to 3. Minus 3. Simplify, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So minus 1 upon 4. So it will become minus 1 upon 4 minus 4b minus 8c is equal to minus 3. So minus 1 over 4 will go on the other side. Minus 4b minus 8c is equal to minus 3 plus 1 upon 4. It will become minus 11 upon 4. So minus 4b minus 8c is equal to minus 11 upon 4. We will take minus 4 common from here. Inside will be b plus 2c. Minus 4 common, inside b plus 2c is equal to minus 11 upon 4. Divided by minus 4, it will become b plus 2c is equal to 11 upon 16. B plus 2c is equal to 11 upon 16. So I am rubbing it and doing again. This is a lengthy question. So b plus c, a is already found. A is minus 1 upon 8. And the next one, b plus c, b plus 2c will become minus 4 will go on the other side. Minus minus plus 11 upon 16. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. We have to take some other equation so that we can find the value of b and c. Because we have the 3 constant a, b and c. So we must need the 3 equations to solve them. We must need the 3 equations to solve them. Now we had compared the coefficients of, first we equated the coefficients of x square sine 2x, then we equated the coefficients of sine 2x. Now we equate the coefficients of cos 2x. Equating the coefficients of cos 2x. So some only few minutes are left. 1 minute is left. So you have to do the remaining question you must do by yourself. Remaining question you must complete by yourself. So I am equating the coefficient of 2x. This is 2a. X sine 2x. 2b. Then again 2b. Minus 4c. Then again minus 4c. Minus 4 into c minus 4c when multiplied